I want to go home. I want to drink soda.
No, you don't drink no soda.
Oh, so hot. I take it. You guys be respectful of people coming by. Watch yourself because there's people coming by, so be respectful. Get over here, please. Be careful touching that stuff. I don't know if it's, I don't know. Well, don't be careful touching it. I don't know what it is. It's not cool. That's a weed right there. Don't touch that. Once we finish the walk, we gotta go all the way around. Look, come on, walk faster. Look, we gotta see where that guy's at over there. We gotta go all the way over there where that guy is at. Here you go. Okay,
we're going. Let's go. Come on. Don't go too far ahead, please. We're gonna make it back. You want your water? Yes, it's all the way to go. Yes, come on. We've only been walking 3 minutes. Come on. Yeah. Yeah, can you see the bench over there? What's over there? Looks so wet. Place to go for a walk. It's very even. I've never even heard of this place before. I don't know if it's new or not. Well, it's been here for a while. I discovered it accidentally. I was looking for something else. It says Duluth. It says Duluth.
Yeah. What water is it? You want the water?
No, your own water.
Okay.
Why are you staying there?
Oh, I wonder if this is the 5. See, that's the guy who passes over there with a black shirt on over there. That's the guy who passes already. Over there. Yeah. Oh, I think this loops around this way. We can't get lost in the park. Rocky, why are your shirt so wet? Did you pour? Rocky, did you pour water in your shirt? Oh, okay. If we get wet, heart attack. Oh, dehydrated. Oh, that takes you up to the front part of the park. Across that bridge. We don't need a map. Because you can go fishing out here.
Are you sure?
Yeah, but that's what I want to go see. That's what I want to go see over there by the bridge. Because I just came out to see where everything was at.
Did you order shaver?
Not yet. I will. Because it's here. What? Next week.
I'm gonna go back.
When does school start? When does school start? Oh. I thought we were going to do it. We can do it tomorrow then. Why can't we do it tomorrow? Yeah. If we wait too long, then no, but we wait too long, it's gonna be gone. So. Don't waste your water, sir. I still got a bottle. I haven't opened it yet. But hold on to your trash. Yes, hold on to your trash. Hold on to your trash till we get back around. You want some more water?
Yeah.
Hold on for a second. Oh, come on. We only been walking for 12 minutes, sir. Bring me your trash. Bring your trash. We're going to the bridge. Be careful. Oh, we can. Let's go look at this. Come here, Roki. Oh, that's the Chattahoochee.
That's Chattahoochee?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's too far though. No, don't go down there. Don't go down there, Nako.
What?
Don't get too close to it. Hold on now, don't get too close down there. Guys, be careful going down that way. We'll walk her to the stairs, hold on. It's deep. You can tell it's deep. Hold on, I'm coming out. Be careful. Hold on. Did you see anybody fishing? It is deep. But if you go like right down here, you gotta go to like to the shore. Yeah. And climb into the shore. But you might be able to do it from the bridge too. We're gonna see when we go over there. Soda. Yeah. I didn't he's home with you most of the day. Y'all here. 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 Sir. Come switch this out. Yeah.
Okay.
Ask your brother if he wants his water. Don't pour it on yourself, drink it. You can get out of the house and water. Huh? Why don't you sweat all over my water bottle? You should have wore shorts. Why did you wear the pants? What is that? I got it. The garbage is in my bag. Yeah. Come on, young man. Let's go. Get up. What do you see over there, Narco? What's over there? Does it look deep? It doesn't look too deep. It is?
You can go there.
It smells stinky.
It's far from
It's deep
there.
right here. Yeah, it's really
Yeah. Well, you should go that way.
It smells stinky.
You are sneaky. Yeah. We're gonna walk this way. Yes, you are. You want your water? Come on. You want your water? Here. Here. It's right down the side. Roki, drink the water if you're hot. Which way you running? Which way you walking? Where you finna go? Fishing prohibited unless permitted. It means you gotta have a license. Yes. You gotta have a fishing permit. Huh?
Oh.
You wanna go down and look at it?
No.
What's
I
this?
just want to go home.
You always wanna go home.
This
So fast.
You're not getting no soda. You don't need any soda.
Why gonna go?
Be careful. You should have brought your
I don't know.
It's cold. It is cold. Be careful with it. What you say? It's not, it's been 20 minutes. We already been walking for 20 minutes. Stop it.
Like 1 hour.
It's not.
Like 1 hour.
It's been 20 minutes.
No, I didn't. It has not been 20 minutes.
Yeah.
It has been 1 hour.
I wonder how you get to this end of the park. What street this is. Wear your life jacket. Yeah, if you go into the watercraft. I think this is the Duluth side. This is the Duluth side. This side is, I think the other side is God's Creek. Guys, come here. Overgrown. They don't come, they need to fix this. Yeah, look, because it stopped. Before it was, they probably stopped it though. Be careful walking through there. No, don't go through there because it's overgrown.
What's that?
What is thing. I think this part is closed up. They don't use this part. Abandoned. Huh? Abandoned. Because it isn't? Yeah, I think this used to be open and they haven't. They just haven't cleaned it up. Abandoned. T-Rex! Ah!
What's this? No, I'm not coming back. For picnic?
Picnic? Where?
I'm not coming back. Yes, don't you want to grab fishing?
I gotta see what street this is. I want to see what street this is. Oh,
It's the same as the school plans. I know I can buy it.
those are, yeah, I was gonna say they weeds. I don't know. I don't know why you touching it though. Huh? Can't destroy things. Alright, we're walking back. The Duluth side needs some work. I said the Duluth side needs to be fixed up some more. This is Duluth, the other side is across the rivers, Johns Creek.
So this is edge?
I don't know what street this is though. It leads us.
I'm gonna find out.
I'm gonna look it up. I want to say something. Oh look, here it is. Yeah, move. I might come tomorrow go fishing. Are y'all coming? Y'all don't never want to come. Why? How you? Oh my God! See? No. Why can't we just do it tomorrow? Oh my goodness. Why can't we? There's the trash guy. By the Stone Company, you know? That's it right there. You gotta just pay $5 to park. But there is a pond where you can pay to fish.
What's the bedrock to reach Chattahoochee River? The same place?
Yeah, this is Roger Bridge. Guys, hold on. Oh, look, those are
fish, didn't he?
Uh-huh, I think so.
What are you doing? He's swimming. It's not that deep over here, though.
Yeah,
There's gotta be something. There's ducks over there.
oh, so peaceful.
I like that area we saw at first for that little thing. All right, gamer boys, let's go. Come on, we go over there. Okay, all right. That's sweat or water on you. Okay, let's go.
Water over here.
All right, we're almost there. Hmm? We should do this walk like every day.
Oh, so sweaty.
Yes, you definitely need to do this walk every day. Are we going around or are we going back the way we came? Going around? Y'all want to go around see what's over there? You
Because there are trees.
you wasn't ready. You were. Yes, you did.
Unless you're tired.
You exercise. You can't get that playing Fortnite and Roblox. You can't. Don't kick people. You're supposed to walk around. You're supposed to walk around.
Okay. What? Green.